everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the Tecnu Poison Ivy and Oak Scrub. This is for if you run into some poison ivy or some poison oak. This scrub is going to help with the itchiness and the rash. This is just used in the shower, or if it's just on your hands, you just have to have wet skin. Super easy to use, comes in a 4-ounce bottle, and it actually eliminates the oil from the plant that causes the rash and the itchiness. So if you need to use this, you just jump in the shower, get your skin wet. It does have little natural exfoliating beads, so you just use it as you would any type of scrub. Scrub the infected area for about 15 seconds and then rinse it off. This is so helpful for people that like camp or that they like to go mountain biking anytime that you might run into a situation like this. I guess this is one of the best products that people that work in like forestry industry or the gardeners, landscapers, like I said, hiking, mountain biking, camping. Great if you have kids and they get into something. So if you have maybe a camp trailer or just a bag that you take when you go camping in a tent, I would highly recommend you just put this in your bag, have it ready to go so you're always prepared. This has been great for us. We have had our kids get into some before, and this has helped really, really quickly. So if you are in the market for something like this, just to have on hand in case something does happen, I think this would be a great product. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.